Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of a city known for its tech prowess? Welcome to Hillsboro, Oregon, a city nestled in the heart of the Silicon Forest. In this video, we'll embark on a journey of discovery to uncover the best things to do in this vibrant and diverse community. Number 1. Rice Northwest Museum of Rocks and Minerals. Have you ever explored a museum that takes you on a journey through Earth's geological wonders? The Rice Northwest Museum houses a remarkable collection of rare gems, minerals, and fossils. Number 2. Orenco Woods Nature Park. Have you ever ventured into a pristine natural oasis within the city? Orenco Woods Nature Park offers walking trails, wetlands, and a chance to reconnect with nature. Number 3. Hillsboro Farmers Markets. Have you ever experienced the vibrant atmosphere of a local farmers market? Hillsboro boasts several farmers markets, offering fresh produce, artisanal goods, and a taste of community spirit. Number 4. Walters Cultural Arts Center. Have you ever attended a cultural performance in an intimate setting? The Walters Cultural Arts Center hosts concerts, art exhibitions, and workshops that celebrate the arts. Number 5. Helvetia Lavender Farm. Have you ever strolled through a fragrant lavender farm and basked in its calming aroma? Helvetia Lavender Farm provides a serene escape from the city. Number 6. Rood Bridge Park. Have you ever enjoyed a day of outdoor recreation by a scenic river? Rood Bridge Park features picnic areas, playgrounds, and access to the Tualatin River. Number 7. Roloff Farms. Have you ever visited a farm made famous by a beloved TV show? Roloff Farms of Little People Big World fame offers seasonal activities and pumpkin picking. Number 8. Hondo Dog Park. Have you ever treated your furry friend to a day of off-leash play and socializing? Hondo Dog Park is a paradise for dogs and their owners. Number 9. Rock Creek Trail. Have you ever explored a multi-use trail that winds through picturesque landscapes? The Rock Creek Trail is perfect for cyclists, hikers, and runners. Number 10. Muse Theater. Have you ever watched a play in an intimate theater setting? The Muse Theater showcases local talent and provides an immersive theatrical experience. Number 11. Ron Tonkin Field. Have you ever attended a baseball game in a family-friendly stadium? Ron Tonkin Field is home to the Hillsboro Hops, a minor league baseball team. Number 12. Topgolf Hillsboro. Have you ever combined golf, games, and dining in a high-tech entertainment venue? Topgolf Hillsboro offers a unique experience for all ages. Number 13. Jackson Bottom Wetlands Preserve. Have you ever observed wildlife in their natural habitat? Jackson Bottom Wetlands Preserve is a birdwatcher's paradise. Number 14. Reedville Creek Skate Park. Have you ever shredded the ramps and rails of a well-designed skate park? Reedville Creek Skate Park welcomes skaters of all skill levels. Number 15. Glenn and Viola Walters Cultural Arts Center. Have you ever explored a historic schoolhouse transformed into a cultural hub? The Glenn and Viola Walters Cultural Arts Center hosts a variety of arts events and exhibitions. Hillsboro, Oregon might be known for its tech innovation, but it's also a city of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and community spirit. Whether you're marveling at geological wonders, hiking through serene nature parks, or enjoying the arts, Hillsboro has something to offer every explorer. So, come with us as we uncover the hidden gems of this vibrant city in the Silicon Forest. Until next time, happy discoveries.